According to most financial advisors, paying off your mortgage as soon as possible is one of the most brilliant things you can do with your money. Not only will you save on interest, but you also have peace of mind with owning your home outright. Although you're like many people, the thought of paying your mortgage early can be daunting. After all, mortgages are typically the most significant debt people have, and trying to pay them off sooner than required can seem impossible. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about tips and tricks on how to quickly pay off your mortgage. By making minor tweaks to your budget and lifestyle, you can free up extra money that can be put towards your mortgage principal, helping you to pay off your loan faster. Here are a few tips and tricks on how to quickly pay off your mortgage. Number 1. Make bi-weekly payments instead of monthly payments. Paying your mortgage bi-weekly instead of monthly can save you thousands of dollars in interest and help you pay off your home faster. Here's how it works. You make 12 payments per year with a monthly mortgage. With a bi-weekly mortgage, you earn 26 half payments, which equals 30 monthly payments. Because more payments are made over a year, more of your monthly payment goes towards the principal balance of your loan rather than towards interest. Making bi-weekly payments is a great place to start if you're looking to save money and quickly pay off your mortgage. As a result, you can save significant money in interest and pay off your mortgage much sooner. Plus, making bi-weekly payments can help alleviate the financial strain of a monthly mortgage by spreading the cost out over a more extended period. Number 2. Round up your payments. If making an extra monthly payment isn't feasible, round up your payments is another option. For example, if your monthly mortgage is $987, you can round up to $1,000 instead. While the difference may seem small, it can add up and make a significant dent in your loan balance over time. Number 3. Make a lump sum payment when you can. If you have the funds, making a lump sum payment towards your mortgage can save you a great deal of interest over the life of your loan. This is because most of your monthly payments goes towards goods in the early years of your loan, so paying down the principal balance will significantly impact the total interest you pay. In addition, by making a lump sum payment, you will shorten the term of your loan, meaning you'll make fewer payments overall. As a result, paying down your mortgage as quickly as possible can save you thousands of dollars in interest charges. Number 4. Refinance to a shorter loan term. One way to save money on your mortgage is to refinance to a shorter loan term. While this will mean higher monthly payments, you will pay less interest over the life of the loan. Not only will you save money, but you will also pay off your mortgage sooner. In addition, if interest rates have lowered since you initially took out your mortgage, you may be able to save more money by refinancing to a lower rate. Before you decide to refinance, be sure to compare offers from multiple lenders to get the best deal. Number 5. Consider a cash-out refinance. If you need some extra cash for things like home improvements or investing, you may be able to do a cash-out refinance. This type of refinancing allows you to borrow against the equity in your home and use the cash for whatever you need. Just be sure only to borrow what you can afford to pay back, as this type of loan can be risky if not managed properly. Number 6. Make extra payments when you can. Make extra payment whenever you can. If you have extra monthly money, consider making additional payments on your mortgage. Even an extra $50 or $100 can make a big difference over time, so every little bit helps. So, how to quickly pay off your mortgage? Number 7. Use a home equity line of credit or HELOC wisely. If you have equity in your home, you may be able to take out a home equity line of credit or HELOC. While this can be a great way to get some extra cash when needed, it's essential to use it wisely. HELOCs typically have adjustable rates, so if you're not careful, you could pay more interest than you originally anticipated. Number 8. Sell your home and rent instead. If you're serious about paying off your mortgage as quickly as possible, another option is to sell your home and rent instead. This may not be feasible for everyone, but if you can swing it, it's a great way to get rid of your mortgage debt. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 9. Invest in a rental property. If you're not ready to sell your home, Another option is to invest in a rental property. By renting out a property, you can generate extra income that can be used to pay down your mortgage faster. Just be sure to research before committing to anything, as there are always some risk involved in investing in real estate. Number 10. Live below your means. One of the best ways to quickly pay off your mortgage is to live below your means simply. If you can stick to a budget and avoid unnecessary spending, you'll be surprised at how much extra money you have each month that can be put towards your loan balance. While paying off your mortgage may seem daunting, it's possible with some dedication and discipline. By following these steps, you can be well on your way to being debt-free in no time. Number 11. Use a windfall to pay down your mortgage. If you come into some extra money, whether from a bonus at work or an inheritance, consider using it to make a lump sum payment on your mortgage. This will reduce the principal balance of your loan and save you money in interest charges over time. Number 12. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the best ways to become debt-free is to live below your means simply. Creating a budget and sticking to it can free up extra monthly money for your loan balance. Number 13. Stay disciplined with your payments. Even if you can't make extra payments on your mortgage, it's crucial to stay disciplined with your regular payments. By doing this, you'll avoid costly late fees and penalties and be one step closer to becoming debt-free. Number 14. Talk to your lender. Don't hesitate to contact your lender if you're having trouble making your mortgage payments. They may be able to work with you to come up with a more affordable payment plan. Finally, seek professional help. If you're struggling to make ends meet, it may be the time to seek professional help. There are plenty of organizations out there that can assist you with your finances and help you get back on track. Paying off your mortgage doesn't have to be a stressful process. By following these steps, you can be well on your way to debt-free in no time. By following these steps, you can quickly pay off your mortgage and save yourself a lot of money in interest over the life of the loan. So if you want to become mortgage-free sooner than later, start putting these strategies into action today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.